is a nice place.
This is a very nice place.
I like this.
Hey, look at that flower over there.
No way. I like the stream.
That's awesome.
This is good.
I have you! Oh, Dr. Quark! Yes,
Dr. Quark.
at last! What are you wearing?
And your mustache!
You got tutu on! What are you laughing at my tutu? Your mustache is going the wrong
It's
way.
the wrong way.
It's not the wrong way, your mustache is the wrong way.
You're
You
so
look
silly,
hilarious.
Dr. Quark.
Why are you dressed like this? I always dress like this. This is my clothes. Anyway, I have you.
Wait,
I
what?
found you. You can't escape.
What do you want?
I've got a nice little drink for you.
A drink?
Yes,
For what?
for old time's sake.
Old time's day.
Celebrate. We're back together again. Old friends, yes?
No, we
No, we don't like you.
didn't like you.
Oh.
So we left.
Oh, come on, boys. We've had good times together, yes?
I don't remember these times.
No.
I remember bad times.
Oh, no.
Scary time.
No, no.
Scared me.
No, not scare you. Like you.
You're the reason why we ran away.
Oh, no, no, no. Friends, come with me and drink to happiness.
No.
Yes.
No, let's go. Come on, let's go.
Hey, hey, come back. Come back.
on hiding. One fine day I'm gonna be the one to make you understand. Oh yeah, I'm gonna be your man.
Klaus,
Yes?
we need to split up.
Okay, you go this way and I'll go this way. Okay.
Where did they go?
Hey! You're supposed to split up.
This is my brown tree though.
No, this is the green tree. You're supposed to go the other way.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, he's coming. He's coming.
You didn't get us.
He did not find us.
Okay, keep quiet.
I'm really scared.
I'm really scared too.
What do you think he'll do to us?
I don't
What
the heck are you doing?
Don't go, you heroes, yeah? You don't run away. I have to show you something very special. You wait.
What?
You like
Okay.
it very much.
No, you crazy.
Well,
Dr. Quark, you're crazy.
been one?
Hey,
God.
Yeah. And been two.
Two?
you cloned it?
My little bean.
How did you do that?
First, I had these little baked beans. I put them in the ground,
Huh?
and then I wee on them.
You wee baby.
Oh no.
Voila.
You guys look good though.
Yes.
So, you have a drink for all time now. My little bean make you drink.
I don't really trust.
I'm not thirsty.
I'm not thirsty at all.
No, I don't want
Oh,
to.
I'm very thirsty. I'm very thirsty.
Can I have a look?
Yes. Don't sniff it.
Okay.
Did you wing that?
What is it?
Lovely potion. Make your hair grow.
Oh, I don't really need that.
It's quite good at the moment.
On your
We'll,
chest.
we'll give this one a pass.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go. See you
Bye,
later.
Dr. Quark.
They got away. How are we gonna get them? I don't know. Try to get them to drink this. I got to get them. What do we do? Do you have a plan? The plan? Bin one? Bin two? The marshmallow. They can't resist the marshmallow. Good plan. Yes, I like it. They will follow the marshmallow and it will make their brain go crazy. Yes, good, good. Okay, let's go. Don't eat it.
That Dr. Quark, he'll never trick us.
He thinks he can get us.
Oh my gosh.
What are they?
Do you see what I see?
They're marshmallows.
Fluffy bunny marshmallows.
Oh my goodness.
I need more.
There's more.
There's more?
Oh, I'm so thirsty.
Me too.
Look. Oh no, look now.
Okay.
Oh. So this is his drink.
I know.
Didn't he say it give us hairy chest?
I think he did. I haven't got one yet.
To do with a hairy chest.
And me.
I'm so thirsty.
Me too. My
What?
belly hurts, I'm so thirsty.
How should we do this then?
Okay, you drink it.
I'll drink? Okay. I will drink and you look after me. So by
Okay.
no means ever, you don't drink.
Okay.
What did I say?
Drink?
Don't drink.
Okay.
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 Here goes.
Okay.
I have a very big mustache.
Okay, don't get your heads in it.
Ah, that's gross. Oh my.
Gross?
Yeah. What do you? You said you weren't going to drink it.
Did I?
Now, what if we both get ill?
I thought you said you weren't gonna drink it.
My eye really hurts.
Oh, mine too.
The eating hole.
Oh no.
Ah,
I think I need a poo.
we need to go home for a poo.
Okay. Okay. I don't feel good.
Gross, my stomach really hurts.
Oh, I feel like I'm smaller.
Oh, I feel that poo didn't help.
No,
You feel like a smaller, did you
I feel like I'm smaller. I feel like my stomach is like this.
I know.
It's not good.
Your mustache is smaller.
What?
Your mustache is smaller.
Not my mustache. Your mustache is smaller.
Oh no. Oh well, maybe we twin. To go.
We must have. Oh dear.
Oh. Anyway, do you have any notices for the people this week?
Well, I can't think my stomach hurts. Ooh, ha, ooh, ha, ooh. Oh yes, I remember. It's night late worship tonight
Oh yes.
from 9:30 to 10:30. So me and Claude, we want to tell you to just worship and enjoy your time. Okay? Oh,
Yes. Oh, and next week it is half term, so we won't be there, and Ben won't be there, and Ryan won't be there anyway, and other leaders won't be there. So don't come,
because we won't be
'cause we
there.
won't be there.
You don't want to come.
Oh, I can't do this anymore.
Okay.
Okay, let's go to sleep.
Okay.
We should not have drank that potion.